In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use tasks and reminders in Google Calendar. Google Calendar is a powerful tool for managing your time and staying organized. Harnessing its features effectively can significantly improve your productivity. Whether you're trying to keep track of personal commitments or coordinate work projects, knowing how to set up tasks and reminders is essential. Let's dive in and break down these simple steps to get you started. First things first, you'll need to access your Google Calendar. Simply open your preferred web browser and navigate to calendar.google.com. Make sure you're signed into your Google account so that your calendar is personalized with all your events. Once you're on the calendar page, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. You'll notice different views: daily, weekly, monthly, and more. Pick the one you're most comfortable working with, as all of them offer the same functionalities we're discussing today. Now find the date and time when you want to set your reminder. Click directly onto the calendar on that specific time. This action will open a new event window where we can start building our task. This is where you're going to tell your calendar precisely when you want to be notified about your task or event. You'll see various options here, but what we're focusing on is using Google Calendar's task functionality, which includes reminders. To set a task, go to the Options menu and select Task from the list provided. It's worth noting that Google has integrated reminders into tasks, so when you choose Task, you're effectively setting a reminder within your Google Calendar. Once you select it, you'll get a specific form designed for adding tasks. Now it's time to add a title and description for your task. Craft a title that clearly describes the task at hand. Try to be as specific as possible because this will help you instantly recognize what needs your attention when the reminder pops up. Underneath the title, there's a space for adding more details. Use this description area to elaborate on steps you need to take, additional notes, or any specific details that will help complete the task. Once you've entered all your details, the final step is to save your task. Look for the Save button, typically located at the top right corner of the event window, and click it. That's all there is to it. Your task, complete with its accompanying reminder, is now scheduled in your Google Calendar. As you can see, setting up tasks and reminders in Google Calendar is not only straightforward, but also incredibly useful for managing your busy life. By following these steps, you're ensuring that important tasks are never forgotten, keeping you organized and on track for success. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more tips on making the most out of your digital tools.